Come on, last time now. Come on, you can do it with eyes closed. Come on. Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Growing Guitar. I have a very simple song for you guys. You can just take it one shot and just play this one from the beginning. Pretty much no practice. Once you know these chords, you just have it with you and it flows very easily. So let's go into this tutorial with Jisoo and Zayn. Eyes closed, okay? So we have a Kpop fourth, absolute best scenario for us. With that, we have 4 chords rolling in the same way through the entire song. Let's start with the chords. We're gonna start with C, and that goes 3rd A, 2nd D, open G, 1st B, and open E. We have G next, and that will be 3rd E, 2nd A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. We have E minor, and that will be open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, open E, and then finally we have the D, and that will be open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. So that's the order of the chords: C, G, E minor, and D. Now let's go into the strumming here. We have a 2-part strumming, so C and G, those 2 chords make up for 1 full strumming round, and the same goes for E minor to D. So let's go into the first transition and learn from C, part 1. And it's very simple. You're just gonna play 2 down. So like this, and that's it. And then you shift to the next chord, G in this case, and you're gonna play part 2, which will be up, down, then down, down, up. So up, down, 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 up. So together it's down, down, up, down, 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 up. And then you apply the same principle for the next 2 chords, E minor to D. So E minor is play down, down, and then D, up, down, 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 up. And that is the end of 1 round. So you're just gonna roll this. I'm gonna play a couple rounds for you. It goes like this. And that simple it is, guys. You can play it easily with eyes closed. Jisoo and Zayn. Hope to see you soon, guys. Until next time. Play tuned.